So friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we unpair Wi-Fi network in our Lava phone. As you want to unpair your Wi-Fi network, so friends you can unpair it. And guys, now let's see how to unpair Wi-Fi network in our Lava phone. In this video, I will show you guys. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon, like my video. First of all, guys, we will on our phone setting to unpair Wi-Fi network, guys. So friends, you can see guys your network and internet settings. So friends, we will click on network and internet setting to unpair Wi-Fi network. So friends, click on your Wi-Fi setting guys. So friends, you can see your Wi-Fi setting guys. You want to share guys any Wi-Fi means you want to connect any Wi-Fi with QR codes. So friends, you can connect from here guys. So like that guys, you can share, you can connect your Wi-Fi with your QR code scan. And guys, you want to share any Wi-Fi network. So friends, you can share from here guys. You can share option. You can share. Friends, we want to unpair. Friends, how to unpair? Friends, you can see where we will press on which network as you have paired, and as you can see forgot option. Friends, tap here to unpair. So when Wi-Fi network will unpair guys, we cannot use guys this 5G network guys. If we use, so we will have to pair again. We will have to enter password. So like that guys, you can unpair your Wi-Fi network. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.